I look into your eyes, I see watching the night sky for a beautiful sunrise with so much to hold. And just like the old star, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? And I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Giving you all my love, I'm still looking up. And when you're needing your space to do so now again, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, some even fall to the earth. We got a lot to learn, and God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make a difference that I can make. Our differences, they do a lot of teachers how to use some tools and gifts we got here. We got a lot of stake. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we did it for us to work. We did it break, we did it burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world giving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, who I am. And I won't give up on us, even if the sky gets rough. I've given you all my love. Still looking up, still looking up, and I won't give up on us. God knows I'm tough, He knows we got a lot to learn. God knows we're worth it, and I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. Even you're all my love.